we're gonna warm up routine, segmenting phonemes, changing phonemes, and adding phonemes. High frequency words best, does, and, job, left, men, more, see, than, wash. Phonological awareness isolate phonemes. Phonics review consonants short O, U, E, and multisyllabic words short O, U, and E. Let's play What Am I Thinking? I will give you clues about one of the words and you will guess the word. Ready? I'm thinking of a word that has 4 letters. One of them is E. This letter rhymes with rest. What word am I thinking of? Yes, it is best. I am thinking of a word that has 3 letters. It ends with the letter D. This word rhymes with bend. I am thinking of a word that has 4 letters. It starts with the letter M. This word rhymes with score. I'm thinking of a word that has 3 letters but only 2 sounds. This word rhymes with B. I'm thinking of a word that has 4 letters. It starts with 2 letters that stand for 1 sound. It ends like the word can. I'm thinking of the word that has 3 letters. It ends with B. This word rhymes with solve. I'm thinking of a word that has 4 letters. It ends with Z sound. Yes, is does. I'm thinking of another word that has 3 letters. It starts with m. It rhymes with 10. Yes, it is the word man. I'm thinking of a word that has 4 letters. It ends with sh. This word rhymes with squash. Yes, it is wash. I'm thinking of a word that has 4 letters. It starts with U. It has a short sound E vowel sound or A. A. What word is that? Yes, left. Okay, class, let's go ahead and read all the words together. Best, and, left, more, than, does, job, man, see, wash. Let's practice blending and reading 2-syllable words. We will use what we know about consonant vowel consonant patterns to help us. We are going to blend the letter in line 1. To read a word, say the letters and sounds with me. A, g, n, e, t. This word has 2 syllables, and each syllable has 1 vowel sound. Group the letters in this long word into 2 syllables. Look at line 2. Do you see consonant vowel consonant patterns in each syllable? We can use what we know about consonant vowel consonant patterns to help us read a long word. What kind of a vowel sound do you expect each syllable to have? Short vowel sounds. Listen as I blend the sounds in the first syllable. A, g. Mag, n, e, t, net. Now blend the whole word with me. Magnet, magnet. Remember that sometimes the vowel sound in the second syllable is neither short or long. Instead, it is a schwa sound. So instead of magnet, we should say magnet. Blend and say the word with me. Magnet, magnet. Good job. We are going to blend the letters in line 1. To read another word, say the letter and sounds with me. G, 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 e, t. This word has 2 syllables. Remember that each syllable has one vowel sound. Let's group the letters in 2 long words into 2 syllables. Look at line 2. Do you see consonant vowel consonant pattern in each syllable? We can use what we know about consonant patterns to help us read a long word. What kind of a vowel sound do we expect each syllable to have? Short sounds. Let's blend the sound in the first syllable. N, a, g, nug. Listen to as I blend sounds in the second syllable. G, e, t, get. Now blend the whole word with me. Nugget, nugget. Remember that sometimes the vowel sound in the second syllable is neither short nor long. Instead, it's a schwa sound. So instead of nugget, we should say nugget. Blend and say the word with me. Nugget. Great job. We are going to read each line one of the time together and then talk about the words. Are you ready? Let's go. Gal, gallop, gallon, signal. How are these words the same? All have short vowels. How is the word gal different from the other words? It has one syllable. How do you know how to read the words with 2 syllables? Let's try line 2. Are you ready? Okay. Rob, ribbon, bonnet, magnet. How are magnet and bonnet similar or alike? Let's read the words a little bit faster. Gal, gallop, gallon, signal, rob, ribbon, bonnet, magnet. Now we are going to read some complete sentences. Let's start with line 3. The vet left the kitten in the kennel. Who can blend this word for us? Now let's read line 4. Justin will quiz us on the magnet lesson. Who can read this word for us? How can we blend it?